This is Scott the Fix-It Guy with an easy one today. This is a Miele washing machine way to clean the coin trap. And the coin trap is a thing that can catch coins and bobby pins and paper clips that may be in your wash and keep them from getting into the drain impeller. So to do this, you just open up this door and you take the coin trap cover and turn it to the left just a couple of turns, and then water will start to come out. This is water that's accumulated inside the machine, and you just want to have a couple of drip pans there ready to receive that water. It could be a little bit of water, or if the drain is plugged, it could be a lot of water. So it's a really neat system that Miele designed. But have a couple of drain pans and just turn it, and when you want to stop the water, you can just close it again, and the water will stop in between maybe trading pans. So then you pull out this whole front cover, and you might find some things in there, like in this case there were coins that were caught, and it looks like there was a toothpick and there's some kind of wrappers. And these things can get caught in the drain mechanism and prevent the washing machine from being able to drain. If it can't drain, it won't be able to spin, so it kind of stops the whole cycle. So just maybe every 3 months you can pull this out and just check for things that may have been caught in there. And then while it's out, you can clean it up. I like to also take a paper towel and clean the inside threads where the cover screws into, because sometimes there'll be sand in there or dirt, and that can prevent it from being able to easily spin back into the threads. So I want to clean it. I'm reaching in there too to see if I can feel anything else. Be careful, because sometimes there can be sharp things in there too. So just be cautious, and we're going to get it all cleaned up, and then we'll screw the cover back in. Make sure the cover screws in pretty tight. You want it to be a nice watertight seal. And then you close the door, and that's it. It's a pretty quick and easy repair. And again, probably should be done about every 3 months. If you notice that your machine is not draining and not spinning, this is probably what's happened. Is there's just a lot of stuff caught in there, or maybe something is actually jammed up the impeller. That's the thing that spins, that creates the water pressure to move the dirty water out of your machine. It does have a protector for that, so it's unlikely, but that could happen. Also, it could be that there's just so much stuff caught in there that the water can't flow. It could be the impeller can turn, but the water will not just flow out of the machine. So cleaning it is quick and easy, just take you a few minutes, and can be very effective for getting your machine going again. So a couple other things you could do that are maintenance ideas for your machine is making sure that the door boot is nice and clean. So we're going to cover how to do that. So you just pull back on this lip. We can see there's a little bit of black mold in there, and we can see that there's some water that's left in. So there always should be a little bit of water there. Wiping it out in between washes could be a good idea to help minimize the black mold. Keeping the door open a little bit all the time really helps a lot, because the air helps to keep the black mold from forming. I'm using a little sharp implement here to clean out some of the junk that is in these 3 drain holes. These 3 drain holes also help to have water flow out of this rubber door boot and away from where it can collect and attract the black mold. So cleaning this out now and then, maybe every 3 months, also would be good. You can use like a straightened paper clip, would work fine. But just wiping it in between uses and keeping the door open, even slightly open, when not in use is great, because that allows for airflow, and the airflow keeps it drier, and the dryness will minimize the amount of black mold that may grow. Another thing to consider too is wiping the glass bowl, especially at the bottom where the glass bowl meets the gray rubber boot. If you do that, if you keep it nice and clean, just free of soap residue, you'll have a tighter seal between the glass and the rubber, and you have less likely that the washing machine will have a leak in the front. So if you're getting a slow leak every time you do a cycle in the front of the machine, this is probably what's happening, is you have a little bit of pet fur or some soap residue that's built up at the bottom and it no longer seals. So just wiping it with a wet towel will do the trick. Hopefully this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance.